How to summarize a YouTube video with ChatGPT. First, find the YouTube video you want to summarize. You can use the search bar on YouTube to look for specific topics or browse through your subscriptions. Once you've found the video, click on it to start playing. Underneath the video player, you'll see some tabs. Look for the one labeled Show Transcript and click on it. This will bring up a text version of everything said in the video. Highlight all of the text in the transcript by clicking and dragging your mouse over it. Once it's all selected, right-click on the highlighted text and choose Copy from the menu that pops up. Now, open ChatGPT in your web browser. In the ChatGPT interface, you'll see a chat box where you can type or paste text. Click inside the chat box, then right-click and choose Paste to insert the transcript you copied from the YouTube video. Once the transcript is pasted into the chat box, it's time to ask ChatGPT to summarize it for you. Type something like, "Can you please summarize this transcript for me?" and hit enter. ChatGPT will take a few moments to process the text and generate a summary based on the content of the transcript. Be patient while it works its magic. Once ChatGPT has finished summarizing, it will display the summary in the chat box. Read through it carefully to make sure it captures the main points of the video accurately. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can leverage the power of ChatGPT to summarize any YouTube video efficiently. Say goodbye to lengthy viewing sessions and hello to concise, digestible content. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Until next time, happy summarizing.